Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. Gemini, if you want more clarity, Gemini, in your situation, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So let's see what are these cards first. We have birds, snake, and scythe. So Gemini, in your situation, it may be in your relationship or it may be in your work situation, you are communicating to people, maybe talking, you are gathering information, maybe discussing certain things, maybe gathering ideas or information about someone or about your situation, how to handle that particular situation. And maybe before responding or reacting to your circumstance, you want to know the truth, maybe. And maybe some of you are simply gossiping about someone, trying to find out more about them. You are quite curious to know more about them, guys. And you need some kind of an information or a counsel advice regarding certain things, but you are not direct with that. You are not asking this person directly, but you are going roundabout way by speaking of the gossips or rumors and trying to gather the truth. So you don't want this person's counsel, but you want yourself to make a decision based on the truth you are seeing in your circumstances today, guys. So it may be a situation in your relationship or it may be in your career situation, guys. So you need to make some important choices for yourself. That is the reason we see these cards. And maybe the reason you are speaking to someone is you are seeing someone in your situation, they are acting as a friend, they are really friendly with you, and their behavior is something really unexpected, and you do not find any fault with this person. The behavior, their actions, you cannot find any fault with them, and it is simply unrealistic. And maybe it may be the person you are in relationship with, guys, and you feel that this level of love is really unrealistic, not practical. That is the reason you have a lot of doubts about this person, and that is the reason you are trying to find out more about this person, trying to be really curious, finding out what is the reality behind this person, whether their love is indeed true. And maybe you are going to see clarity in your situation very soon, guys. So if this person has true love on you, it is going to come out with flying colors. That true love is going to shine bright, guys. But if they are not having that honest intentions towards you, even that truth is going to come out very soon, guys, Gemini. So you just have to give this relationship more time, guys, Gemini. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, Then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the card for those who chose this card. So I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card first. It is an angel card, guys. So I pick cards randomly from the deck for you all, guys. So we have an angel card. It just means angels are here guiding us today in your circumstance, and this card stands for strength, protection and courage. So in your situation, maybe you may have some kind of a dream, vision in your situation guiding you, aligning your life maybe to fulfill your purpose. So whatever you love to do, maybe you may suddenly feel inclined to do certain things, maybe take up some path. It may be a career path or it may be a hobby, something which you feel really inspired to do, something which you are subconsciously guided, and it is all for your own good, guys. And that activity or that whatever effort you're putting in, it's going to change the way things are in your situation, guys. It is simply going to give you more confidence, give you strength, and you will feel guided. And we often feel let down or pulled down by the challenges we face and all that negative thoughts and emotions that we have, and we are so much afraid. So we need that inner strength, and this card stands for that inner strength, guys. So no matter whatever the circumstances are today, you are lovingly guided, and you will have that intuition pointing you towards the right choices today, and you need not fear. And this angel is here assisting us today, giving us that strength and protection that we need in our life today, guys, in our circumstances today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. It is Citrine. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, you need to build your relationship with love and trust, and this card stands for joyful expression, happiness, and letting go of all negativity that we have. So the way to build a strong foundation in our relationship through love and trust, how do we do that? It is simply by spending time with that other person, doing something fun, maybe doing some activity that is fun, where you enjoy each other and where you laugh and play around, feel happy, feel adventurous. So this is the time for you to go for that positive attitude or positive things in whatever you are doing. Find something funny or positive to tell that other person, and you will feel joyous, happy, and the same way this person will also feel loved and happy to be with you, spend time with you. And that is the this card, guys, the energy with this card. It stands for happiness and joyful expressions. So the way we enjoy the circumstance, enjoy this relationship with this other person, it inspires them to give up the sadness or whatever pain they have in their heart. So you need not hold back, you need not hold back from being happy today, guys. So this may be your energy or their energy towards you. So you are happy, you are changing the situation for this person, inspiring them, or they are happy with you, inspiring you to be happy. And do not forget, happiness brings more happiness. So you need to be happy no matter what. So this is the time for that, guys, to radiate happiness. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the readings I post every day. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks again for watching. Bye, guys. Love you all.